Good morning dear student, this is the grammar class of 5th standard. Today we are going to take one revision related with our previous topic. Okay, the first question is here. Complete the sentence by forming adjectives. Form means prepare. Remember this, form means prepare. Prepare means तैयार करना. Okay, prepare adjectives from the verbs given in the bracket. We want to form or prepare adjective from the given verbs in the brackets. Okay, then use an adjective ending in ing and or ed. Okay, you want to use ing or ed at the ending of that adjective. Look here, the first sentence is here. Butterflies are really dash and in bracket word is interest. This word is verb. We want to use here ing or ed to make this word as an adjective. According to sentence meaning, we use here. Look here. Butterflies are really interesting. We use here ing to this verb and we can convert this verb into adjective form. आपण या क्रियापदाला ing form लावलेला adjective करू शकतो. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. In this way, our sentences look like butterflies are really interesting. Full stop. Then second, these bright lights dash. Full stop. Then annoy. Annoy is a verb. We can write here annoying. Okay. Annoying. Annoying. We convert this verb into adjective, adding ing to that verb. Okay. These bright lights annoying. Full stop. Then third one. I was really dash when we lost the quiz. And verb is disappoint. We want to use here ing or ed to make this verb as an adjective. According to sentence meaning, we use here disappointed. Okay? Disappointed. Appointed. We use here ed. We use here ed to convert that verb into adjective form. आपण याला या क्रियापदाला adjective मध्ये convert करण्यासाठी आपण याला ed लावून आपण त्याला adjective करेल. Okay, now I hope you understood this sentence. Now the fourth one. That film was full stop terrifying. That means that film was blank terrified. Here is the verb. We want to convert this verb into adjective form using ed or ing form. So we use here that film was terrifying. Okay, we use here ing. Terrifying. It is adjective of that verb. Terrifying. Okay. Then next, my little sister was dash or blank when we went horse riding for the first time. Here is the verb frighten, and we convert this verb into adjective form, that is frightened. Look here, we use here ed form. Okay, to convert this verb in as an adjective form, we write here or we attach here ed to that verb frightened. Okay, then next, last one. The news on the radio was really dash or blank, and here is verb, that is worry. We can write here worry. Okay. Worried. Look here. Worry is a verb. We write here worry. In this way, we can solve this question in our revision part. The next revision of this topic we will see in next video. Thank you.